Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to another grocery haul video. Today I have another Aldi haul for you. If you're new here, I follow the Weight Watchers program, but I also do macros and calories. So in my grocery haul videos, I try to share the Weight Watcher points as well as calories. So usually I start with fruits and vegetables, but today I'm going to start down here. I think that I've pretty much separated it from things that have points to the 0 point items. So I'm going to start with the ones that have points and then show you all the 0 point items I got. So starting with my ground beef, I got this 93%. This is a 93% lean. This is 4 points for 4 ounces. I actually prefer the 93% over the 96% lean. Even though the 96% is lower in points, to me, the flavor of this kind is better. And y'all know I don't sacrifice flavor for lower points anymore. So 4 points for 4 ounces of that and 170 calories for the 4 ounces. I also got some biscuit ham slices. These are 2 ounces for 1 point or 60 calories. And I'm pretty sure the 2 ounces is like around 4 slices. My husband wanted some hard salami, so I got these. These are 5 points for 3 slices and calories, 120 calories. Some fully cooked bacon, 1 point for 1 slice and 80 calories for 3 slices. I also got some petite sirloin steaks. I haven't bought these in a while. I used to get these and they're really good. But the only thing is when you scan them, it doesn't scan out. So what I figured based on everything is these came out to about 7 points for 4 ounces. But as always, make sure to go through and figure them yourself. And it is 230 calories for the 4 ounces. And then I usually get the twin pack of the regular pork tenderloin, but they have this pork tenderloin. It's peppercorn. This scans out at 2 points for 4 ounces and 120 calories. I also got some ground chicken, 4 points for 4 ounces and 160 calories. I got some of these little turkey sausages, these snack sticks. These are 1 point for 1 and 3 points for 2. And for calories, it's 80 calories for 2. I got some turkey pepperoni. Points really depends on how much of it you have. You can have, if you want just 0 points worth, you can have 4 slices. 13 slices is 1 and 22 slices is 2 points. 4 calories, 70 calories for 16 slices. I also got some turkey breakfast sausage. I didn't realize that they sell this there. 2 ounces is 3 points and 90 calories. I also got a bag of hash browns. For those, you can have 117 grams for 2 points. And for calories, it's 90 calories for 100 grams, which is about 2/3 of a cup. I got a bag of potatoes. 4 ounce potato is 2 points. And then I think you can have 6 ounces for 3. And for calories, 110 calories for 5.3 ounce. I also got some goldfish. Our grandchildren are coming over, but I've mentioned before that I don't only buy these for our grandchildren. My husband and I actually love to snack on goldfish. They're really good with Laughing Cow cheese, which actually I have to do a little Publix run too, but I'm not going to show that. I'll be getting some Good Culture cottage cheese. My Publix is the only place around here that I can find my Good Culture cottage cheese. So I'm going to be getting that at Publix. And also some Laughing Cow cheese and some creamer. So I don't know, I may, depending if I go to Publix before I get this video up, I may stick it in at the end. But anyways, the goldfish, you can have 52 of them for 4 points. But usually what I do is just have a 2 point snack. And for 2 points, you can have 29. And then for calories, it's 140 calories for 51 pieces. I also got some cashews. For those, it's 6 points for a 1/4 cup or 160 calories. Back there, I got some of the protein shake. This kind my husband actually prefers. I like the pure protein from Walmart. That's 1 point. This one is 3 points and it is 170 calories. I also got some white cheddar. Pretty much get this every single time we go. My husband loves this kind. This is 5 points for an ounce or 110 calories. And then I picked these up. I don't know. I was thinking of for soup or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them. But you can have, it's tricolor 3 cheese tortellini. You can have 1 cup for 8 points and 280 calories. So I picked up a couple of those. I also picked up some hummus. I haven't bought hummus in a long time actually. For this kind, you can have 1 tablespoon for 1 point. This is the olive tapenade hummus, and this is really good. I also got some reduced fat sharp cheddar, 4 points for a 1/4 cup, And for calories, it's 90 calories. I picked up some marinara. For this kind, it's 2/3 of a cup for 1 point. This is really good marinara too. 2/3 of a cup for 1 point and 50 calories for half a cup. They also had this local honey there. This is the raw and unfiltered kind. This is 3 points for a tablespoon or 60 calories. I also picked up this popcorn chicken. For this kind, you can have 8 pieces for 6 points or 210 calories. Back here is some Fit and Active orange juice, 50 calories for a cup or 2 points. I also got some avocado. For those, you can have, I think it's 32 grams. It's somewhere between 30 and 35 grams for 1 point, and that's usually about 50 calories. Okay, so I have a couple more things that have points, and everything else I think is 0. So I got some brown gravy. This is 1 point and 20 calories for a tablespoon. And also this chunk light tuna, which is zesty lemon pepper. This scans out at 1 point or 70 calories. And then I think everything else is 0. I got a couple things of ranch dressing, 0 points, 5 calories for half a teaspoon. And then I also picked up, so there was the zesty lemon pepper tuna, which was 1 point. And then these ones are 0. I thought these would be good just to take to work with me, just keep at work in case I need, some quick protein. These ones are 0 for the original, 70 calories. And for the protein, I'm curious, 16 grams of protein for a pouch. So everything else is 0 points. So I got some scallops. These are sea scallops, the big ones, which are the ones I love. For calories on these, 100 calories for 4 ounces. I got some shrimp, and for calories on these, 100 calories for 4 ounces. I also got some oven classic turkey breast, and that is 60 calories for 2 slices. And then I stocked up on some salmon. I got like 3 of those. I think I'm going to make up some salmon ahead of time and use it for like salmon salads, which I love cold salmon in salads. For calories, it's 200 calories for 4 ounces. And then I got a thing of carrots and then also some baby carrots. So I like these ones for cooking and these ones for snacking. I got a thing of mushrooms. I got this basil paste, and this is the kind that I use instead of fresh basil. So I do the basil parmesan salmon from Skinny Taste, and so I usually don't use the fresh basil because it just won't last in my fridge. So I usually just get this, keep this in my fridge, and I'll use that. I picked up a thing of green chilies. I don't usually buy these, but I know I came across a recipe that I've been wanting to make that calls for these. I just have to figure out what recipe it was. I also got a couple things of diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got a thing of banana pepper rings. One thing I forgot to mention, I don't usually give the calories on fruits and vegetables because it just really depends how much you have. And for the vegetables especially, it's really minimal. I also got some chunky salsa. I also got some Brussels sprouts. I also got some egg whites. For these, I'll let you know the calories on this, 25 calories for 3 tablespoons. But I love egg whites because in that 3 tablespoons is 5 grams of protein. So I'll usually add these to like a regular egg for breakfast. I'll usually have like 3 servings of this and then 1 egg just to bump that protein up. And then I got some iceberg lettuce, some Boston lettuce that I need for a recipe, and some spring mix that I just use in my salads through the week. And then let's see, back here I got some Cosmic Crisp apples. I got some strawberries, which strawberries have been looking amazing lately. The last time I got them, so many of you commented on how good they looked. So I picked up a couple of those. The grandkids love these. And then I got some grapes, some bananas. I got some kiwi, some mandarin oranges, a thing of celery. I got a couple English cucumbers and some tomatoes on the vine, which these looked so good. And then I almost forgot, I had to pull this off my counter. I got a thing of eggs, 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 70 calories for 1 egg. And just because I usually will get asked how much I spent, this all came to right about $240. So I am going to share with you what I got from Publix. I also got some things from Walmart. Got a few more things from Publix than I had planned on because they had a few things that were BOGO. So I am going to try and rush through this so that I can get this video up tonight. Today is Saturday, March 23rd. So usually my meal preps, my what I eat in a day, those videos are usually like a week or two behind by the time I get them up. When I do my grocery haul videos though, I like to get them up the same day that I film them. That way if there's sales or BOGO deals that I tell you about, then it'll still be ongoing. So if you have a Publix near you, I'll share with you some BOGOs that are going on. For mine, they go on through Wednesday, so I'm not sure if they're all the same. So from Publix, I got, as normal, my Good Culture cottage cheese, 2 points for half a cup. And then I also got the small ones. So I got 6 of the small ones and then a big one. So the individual ones we like to have to take to work with us. And then this one we'll usually have just to snack on throughout the week. So these are 2 points on Weight Watchers, 120 calories and 19 grams of protein. And then the big one, which just half a cup, is 2 points. They had the bird's eye vegetables on BOGO. I got some gold and white corn, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 100 calories for 2/3 of a cup. They had the creamer BOGO this week. This is the Italian sweet cream, 0 sugar that we like. You can have up to 6 tablespoons for 2 points. I usually have 2 points worth. Although there are a lot of days that I just have 1 point worth, especially if I do like my strength training or a long morning on the treadmill or something. I really don't feel like having a lot of coffee after. So for calories, it's 15 calories for 15 milliliters. They had the Ben's 90-second ready rice on BOGO, and I got the long grain and wild for this, 3 points for half a cup and 200 calories per cup. They had my favorite Dove dark chocolate BOGO. These I love just once in a while at nighttime before I go to bed. 2 pieces for 5 points, and it really satisfies. I never was really one for dark chocolate, but these are really good. So again, 5 points for 2 pieces and 170 calories for 4 pieces. And then I got some Laughing Cow cheese. These were also BOGO. This one is just the regular creamy light. I wanted the garlic kind, but they didn't have any, so I got these instead. 1 point per wedge and 25 calories per wedge. And then from Walmart, I got a big thing of kale. I have a couple recipes that I like to make that in. I don't like kale plain, like by itself, raw. I only like it cooked up in recipes. And then I got a couple zucchinis. And then I got an egg coloring kit and some eggs. Our grandkids are coming over tonight to spend the night, so we're gonna do color some eggs with them. I got some fajita seasoning mix, and I didn't even scan that. It's 15 calories for 2 teaspoons. So honestly, with seasoning like that, I don't even count it. If I count it, it's only like a point. I also got a couple things of red enchilada sauce, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 20 calories for 60 grams, which 60 grams, there's 4.5 servings in each container. I got a can of black beans, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 120 calories for half a cup. There are some black beans that do scan for points, but I always rinse mine anyway, so I always count them as 0. I got some tortilla strips for a couple recipes that I'm going to be making. 2 tablespoons is 1 point, and for calories, 35 calories for the 2 tablespoons. And then this is the protein shake that I like. This is the pure protein, only 1 point for each container. You can actually have 4.5 ounces for 0 points on Weight Watchers. It's 30 grams of protein and it is 140 calories. So that's my grocery haul for this week. I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, I appreciate your thumbs up and any comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.